Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel! If you are running a Shopify store and you want a simple way to increase conversions without installing another app, today's video is for you. We are going to add a hot stock feature to your product details page in the Shopify Horizon theme. Now let's talk briefly about what this hot stock feature actually does. Imagine a customer lands on your product page and right above the buy button sees a message like "Selling fast. Only 3 remaining." It appears automatically when inventory drops below your defined threshold, stays hidden when stock is high or sold out, and only shows when availability is low, creating urgency in a clean and professional way. This small improvement can make a big difference. When customers see that only a few items are left, they are much more likely to complete the purchase instead of leaving and thinking about it later. Now let's walk through it together. But before we touch any code, there is one very important step. Always duplicate your theme first. Go to Online Store, then Themes, click the 3 dots, and choose Duplicate. Never edit your live theme directly. Work on the copied version so your storefront stays safe in case anything goes wrong. Once the duplicate is ready, rename it for easier version management, then click Edit Code. Inside your duplicated theme files, look for the Blocks folder. Click Add a new file and name it producthotstock.liquid. In the blog article linked in the description, I've included the full code. Copy it exactly as it is and paste it into this new file. Do not modify anything, then click Save. Next, we need the JavaScript file, so the stock message updates automatically when customers switch variants. Go to the Assets folder, click Add a new file and name it Product Hot Stock. Again, copy the code from the blog and paste it there. Click Save. There is one more step. Go to the Snippets folder and open the script's liquid file. Copy and paste the script tag from the blog at the bottom of the file so your theme can load the new JavaScript, then save everything. At this point, the feature has been successfully added to your theme code. Now we just need to activate it. Go back to Online Store, click Customize, and open your product template. Scroll to the Product Information section. Click Add Block and you will see Hot Stock function available. Add it. You can choose between a simple text style or a version with a progress bar. You can change the maximum inventory threshold, adjust font size, font weight, text color, height, and spacing. For example, if you set the maximum inventory to 20, the message will only appear when stock is 20 or below. If a variant has 50 in stock, customers will not see anything. When customers switch variants, the message updates automatically. And that's it. A small visual change on your product page, but a strong psychological trigger. Limited stock reduces hesitation and encourages faster decisions. If you want the full code and step-by-step written instructions, check the blog link in the description below. If this video helped you improve your Shopify store, give it a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe to the channel for more practical Shopify tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.